Right now I am waiting outside of the airport. I just have to loop around the block. I'm gonna go pick up Paige, and it'll be a couple minutes, and I can't wait. So NECA here right afterwards. Just gonna drive straight to NECA, and that's it. And I can't wait for the day. It's gonna be super fun. I got in at like 1:30 last night, and luckily Steven and Jeff, the 360 electrician, let me stay at their Airbnb. So they just opened the door, and I just immediately went to sleep. And then by immediately I mean it took me at least 30 minutes by 2 a.m. and I woke up this morning at 6 or 6:30. So not much sleep, but I feel perfectly fine. So let's get this day started. All right, so the next real concern is everything that she has brought on the plane gonna fit in my tiny little car? So we'll figure that out, but still waiting on the message that says she's outside waiting. 1.1 miles, take a corner around the block, 6 minutes. So just here waiting in the park, in the beach, not the beach, but the San Diego Bay. Hey, just freaking right there, dude. What the freak? Oh my gosh, let's go. I'm pulling over. All right, just got parked here at NECA, finally. I was driving around trying to find free parking because I'm super cheap, but I couldn't find anything, so I had to pay 20 bucks to park here. It's all good, it's fine, it's fine. Anyways, got Paige, as you saw. I mean, you didn't see, but there's Paige putting her shoes on. So got her from the airport, and now we're here, just gonna walk inside from this parking structure, a couple blocks, and then we'll be there, so let's go. Yay. Everybody's ready. Everybody's ready. All right, just picked up the press pass, and then waiting for Paige to do her makeup, and then I'm gonna go pick up the bag. And I'm not leaving it in the booth this year because Jeff might steal it. So I learned my lesson last year. Fool me once, shame on you, Jeff. Fool me twice, shame on me. Not gonna happen. All right, got the bags. I'll show you guys what's in here later. You can see there's already a tape measure, some other small goodies, but exciting. Gonna see if we can get in here right now. All right, I got a warm welcome and got denied to go into the show early, so appreciate that. You're gonna get extra exclusive non-coverage for the next 37 minutes. So I'm gonna go up and meet my friend Eric, and he has my pair of 167 Klein pliers. So I'm gonna go pay him for that and kill the next 37 minutes. And
we need food.
Yeah, we need food. So we're gonna try to find some food because I haven't eaten since yesterday at like 3 o'clock besides a granola bar yesterday on my 7-hour, 8-hour drive. So just a little bit hungry with a headache. So let's go, Paige.
Yeah.
All right, just open the doors and everybody is swarming in. I have my attention focused on other people right now. But let's go see Anna real quick.
Where is he?
Anna?
Is that who you said? Where is she?
Yeah, she's gonna be right here. All right, so we came inside and I immediately saw Anna from last year from Milwaukee. So we talked to her for a little bit, and then I went over to Greenlee and I was looking for Mark, another awesome guy that I met last year, and went ahead and talked to him for a bit, caught up, and that was super fun. And Paige's out here meeting everybody.
Yeah, Maddie from Rigid.
Maddie from Rigid. Said hi to her from last year. So just out here showing Paige all my favorite people. Gonna go check out the Klein booth and get my free tumbler.
I got a hat.
And Paige's hat, and that might be a collectible one day, you never know.
So don't abuse it.
To all the Klein Tools collectors, you know. But we're gonna go check this out, and haven't seen Steven yet since this morning. See if we can find Lexi and all the other people. Already saw K Sparky and Humboldt Electric, so so far so good, and everything's been better than anticipated. So enjoying the show so far. So see what else we can do. All right, here they are. I think one of them was already given away. They have 5 of the 167 collector's edition with the flag print on the handles. And let's see what years we got here. We got 1951, 1857. That's going to be the first one right there. 2003 and 2011. So these are pretty much, I think these are all different as far as the camo dip. or the hydro dip, but they got the American flag on the handles. So it's like the 167 edition, but with special handles and additional writings up on the handles. All right, Jonar Tools out here representing. I didn't even know they were going to be here, but cool to see all their tools. I have a handful of these. There's some more that I want.
Let me tell them. We have these two, and this, and this,
You didn't,
and a bloody finger.
yeah, so Paige literally stuck her finger in place.
Fiber optic cable.
In places it doesn't belong. Paige stuck her finger
Hold on,
inside the blade, inside the hole with the blade, and she cut herself.
It's deep, but I'm not opening it for y'all. I don't want to.
That's wild. Anyways,
We got a free beanie.
yeah, we got a free beanie
Because I said it's
because
cute.
they're amazing, and Paige cut herself, so they felt bad for us.
That's not why.
That's why. Anyways, I got the roller bag here, which is my favorite. You guys know. Got all my tools in here at home. I was gonna bring it, but it took up the whole front trunk, so that wasn't gonna work. But yeah, they got most of their tools that I'm very familiar with. Some new ones. But yeah, can't wait until next year, and it'll be a good time. Should be coming out with them next year to NECA, so can't wait for that if things go through. So I also got the bag right here, which I have. So absolutely, yeah, love it. So love these guys. They're amazing. They got mad golf swings.
We just were at Invent, and he made a bottle opener by CAD Welding. He made a video. Go check it out. It's on his channel by the time this is posted. It was really cool.
I made this bottle opener with my hands
With his bare hands, covered in gloves.
and my knowledge
Yeah.
with assistance.
It's really cool though. It's like a whole welding process. Like, love it. And now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna
I have no idea.
go to the hotel,
Oh yes.
check in, and
Yeah.
eat. I'm so hungry.
Yeah. We haven't eaten all day still.
And also, like for me, the time is like 8 p.m.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
Right here. Let's go, baby. Slide the handle back on. Oh yeah, I'm so happy. It's perfect.
Covers up the wire scratches.
That's right.
Slay.
I'll never know. All right, so that was the first day at NECA. Super fun. How was it? Your first day?
Fun.
A lot of connections for Paige, and saw some friends from last year, which was awesome. Going to the Greenlee after party right now, which is just like food and beverages or drinks if you do that thing. So we're gonna drive down there. That's a 10-minute drive. Just got checked into the hotel. All right, guys, going to the Greenlee party still. Just parked. That took an hour because I was trying to find a free spot again, and there's nothing here. So Paige paid. God bless your soul. Paige is in her nice whatever that is.
Poncho.
Poncho. That's beautiful.
Let me do Good morning. Good morning. Kayla will get it.
I won't. I have never watched it, but anyways, the restaurant is straight ahead, I believe, and it's gonna be a good time.
Hopefully.
We're gonna go eat for the first time today, a real meal, not just little bags of snacks. So I'm not even in the frame. So it's gonna be a good time. Hang out with all the influencers. The exclusive Greenlee party.
You wanna see a trick? Can you flip your camera or something? Ready?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Let's go. All right, guys, so at the Greenlee party, I'm just walking through the hotel going to the bathroom, and then Stephen J 120 volts, he points up, like inside this like tower of a hotel, and then the elevators are like, it's like I'm in Harry Potter or something, dude. This is crazy. All right, I'm going to ride this elevator right now. This is sick.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, okay. Oh no, we're trapped. Are you serious?
Don't worry, dude.
Oh my gosh.
That's too bad.
Guess we're not.
Oh, wait, hey.
Is that downstairs? Is that the floor we're on?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Hey, you need to go up, brother.
No. Let's see.
What?
Let's see.
Oh, okay. No, I thought that guy wanted to come.
see what they are.
Oh, yes! Yes! Sick! Oh my gosh! My stomach just dropped.
Alright, that was sick.
That was fun. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is crazy.
So cool. Kind of reminds me of the hotel that we stayed at last year.
Dude, yeah, actually. It'd be cool if there was no roof, but then it would be really cold. You'd see like a night sky or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm trying to surprise her. Okay, so anyways, have you seen the elevators though? You've probably seen them in your day, but when they go up and down, it's really cool.
Oh, yeah.
And
is this an Omni hotel? It looks like it.
I don't know, but me, Steven, and Nicole went up there a second ago, or like an hour ago, and we rode it.
Hour ago.
Maybe it was 30 minutes, but anyways, we rode it and it was really cool. It made my stomach drop. It was fun.
We should go to Disney.
We went up to the balcony. Anyway. All right, could you say that one more time?
What did I say?
I said, I get it.
I get the hype. It's so fun. Like, literally, what a night.
So we had the Greenlee party, and like I said, I was looking for my friend Mark there that I met last year at NECA, and he was just like, we were hanging out talking again and just hitting it off, and he was just saying how much that he loves me, and I was like, really, dude? I was like, touched my heart. But anyways, love that dude, and yeah, second man crush, but who's counting? He's like second to Paige's dad, but it's all good. Anyways, going back to the car, going back to the hotel, and get some sleep, call it a night crossing the road. But anyways, I think that's gonna end off night number 1, and
See you tomorrow.
super successful, exciting, fun day. So catch you guys tomorrow. All right, bag reveal, forgot about that. I got the Trade Hounds koozie. Got this pair of scissor shears from Invent. I appreciate that. These are actually look amazing. Klein Tools hat I stole from Paige. Needed that. NECA 2024. Oh, don't forget our badge tomorrow. Need that. Let's just dump it all out because it's going to take way too long. Some trash in here, but you get the point. Okay. There's a lot. Okay, so this is the cup that I won from Klein Tools. Paige got the hat and I got the cup, so I just naturally stole the hat. Got some mints. Those are gonna come in clutch. I took 2 of those. Sour Patch Kids. There's a lot of candy. In the bag it came with the shot glass, some wire nuts, the tape measure, which is right here, a little 6.5 foot this year. Made this at Caddy. CAD welded this bottle opener, which is amazing. So there's gonna be a video on that, so stay tuned. Eric, I bought these from Eric. He gave me a buy one get one free special, so I'll probably do a giveaway. So stay tuned. I'll probably do a giveaway on one of these 167s. Finally got those after like a year. It's just some stickers. Got some stuff from what is her name? Racketeers. I'll probably make a video on these if I get some materials for that. Jonar Tools popping off with another charger and a beanie right here. Free bottle opener, which is actually nice. It's like billet aluminum. Another Racketeers? Yeah, Racketeers. Tape measure holder for your belt. More mints. And a pencil. And I believe that's it. So, nice little haul I was gonna say this morning, but today. So, anyways, good stuff. And back tomorrow in the morning.